While Russia can't figure out how to target the size of an airfield accurately, the United States have other things on mind. What if we had so many PGMs that we don't have enough aircraft to drop them all? How can we put more warheads on foreheads? Here's a computer animation to help showcase how the Palletized Joint Air-to-Surface Standoff Missile is loaded and employed after the first live-fire test in the European theater as part of Exercise Atreus. Video from 352nd Special Operations Wing successful test fire of a Palletized Joint Air-to-Surface Standoff Missile. Successful extraction of deployment box, release of JASM with wing extension, and motor engagement during Exercise Atreus 22 in Europe. And back to Ukraine, video of T-80BV in same formation with Turkish transferred BMC Kirpi in a counteroffensive operation somewhere on Kherson direction. Ukraine have some inventive ways to attack Russians. The Ukrainian border guards destroyed a Russian T-64BV tank with artillery fire in the east. And this is fresh footage of Antonovsky Bridge in Kherson, and barge or ferry crossings made by Russians.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.